IGC News. Bima Olivia Akwaba had the latest and hot news and the Bremo and which is a winner subscriber or more than say will be subscribe to the channel. Since I had the latest and hot news in Kwana Airpa, you may have to say over click the subscribe button. Now our belly notification when sa video for Biano when the first person I was at the kind of video. I feel we are now like video. Give us a thumbs up. Now feel share my offer now when you be here. Now who and someone and Kosu. I feel you could see a year and come and Kosu into Sazim.
Then MP NDC 4 year. Emma Moya Dian Crawford County or Monyabi. Share none of Mukosremi. You say Haruna Idrisu when you John Dramani Mahama and you're fine. And so Omofa Kwabia so Haruna Idrisu mo introduce John Dramani Mahama. Yeah. And no be MP before ye ma Kennedy Agyapong mom and so a full platform where MP before and it is not even helping Kennedy Agyapong and it is not helping them. It is not helping them because we reckon Agyapong in some of Bawumia platform now. It is rather indicting the party than helping the party. Me senka me you can't be indicted you be anything. Me 2 MPP for no Bulgaria you can't be indicted you be anything. Na Ali yeah that's not what I'm saying. But I'm saying, say, NDC historically any idea in him no NDC ebet me BT MPP cra the margin should not be wide. Say, catch them and say I have origin. NDC ebenya 57%. Na MPP enya Bawumia 41%. Say how can I say bia NDC benya 52%. Na bia Bawumia 46%. Right? Understandable. But this wide margin.
You are watching Bulgaria. Kwabase me ne Kwame say
Kwame na hu mi. Ni samu odusene me pa de peduano. Ni mu odusene me. Enti no si ejina se sia na se ye be ko a. Ani so de obi abe se Kwame bebo me. Na waka mamu se mebo Kwame. Ba me tumi ma hu odi mutu se Kwame bebo me a. Na de wo kan na wo se me gina so de ye me nyema yi ana se me nka se wa ma me figures you ama me tuma de timi mfa nya hwe. Oh yeah, man, listen, Debbie, and say some koda there, some because they know say, they know say all service no are not favoring them. Koda so MPP, a problem MPP election where some lusu and one factor, and economic factor and one bemo. There are a lot of factors. Factor one, you can't take the Allen factor out. Good. Factor two, economic name. 3 Ghana 3 disunity and 4 Kennedy Agyapong adia oye na masremenim memuna meyem enti Kennedy Agyapong aye say adabi aboy odan nsuo so de say agegene nsuo wo se ne na enu nhuna se kwa hono no e no na na ntro sa asma make MPP for be di matemo mu ndi matemo after 2024 mo abe frame e de mebo amre me say Sema Kennedy Agyapong account MPP platform. If they don't stop this man campaigning for them, that's what because one man campaign. Because Kennedy Agyapong supporters no support to Kennedy Agyapong are more dangerous than the Ireland crying. The supporters none of them are ready to vote for MPP. Those so-called supporters. Because the supporters be crowd say, I didn't know all could join in now one can be behind you. No coffee who we answer no because sorry at home. But on also idea on the positive and negative. Now, Ali, after 2024, Ghana have a deal. Ghana have a deal. Oh, there will be a lot of political discussions. No, whether MPP, Omulusu, Omuwinio, Ghana have a deal.
No chances in saying the former President John Mahama and Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
Okay, Kwame. John Dramani Mahama. He has been a member of Parliament for Bole Bamboy between 1997 and 2009. He has been a deputy minister, and a vice president, and he's the only person and the first time Otimi winning election. Right before NDC for John Dramani Mahama. In the 29th August 2012, first time obey a flag bearer. Sadana Atletico Madrid, any Chelsea. A boy UEFA Super Cup, almost share Chelsea 4-1. Radime Fakao share 3 goals. No.
And also count.
And Kumasi Kumasi that was 29th August 2012. Satam na MPP for ye, almost flag bearer, Nana Adodankwa Akufo-Addo. 2 clear years on 7th August 2010.
Next Saturday, 7 August 2010. No more 2 clear years. But Mahama at the 3 months at the campaign.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube.
With about 300,000 plus. Ubitino 300,000 plus. Just a percentage wise, not any big. But Ubitino. And with Dr. Bawumia uncontested election that. Or no 2008 no be a running mate 2012 he has always been a running mate. This is his first time out contested election. So one estimated John Dramani Mahama now can say fala you do that at your own risk unless say ABI you are politically unwise person and I'll be underestimated John Dramani Mahama. But if you are a politically wise person who take politics as it semia you can never underestimate John Dramani Mahama.
Bulgaria.
Yeah.
We are historian. We can say free book.
Yeah.
But we are black African ya jawoti hedi edenia wadi hwemu no ye to aba obi ebesi ne krada eboa no anemo no
historically no
to boasi answer to boasi
me history na yedwa historically no eboa ni pani because over 2016 Nana Akufo-Addo won the election on his so day
Kwaku
2000 President Akufo no muso e kofi but enye no kore because me Obia Obebo date of birth actually maybe I know the day 8 December 1938 and see Friday it's Thursday Osha 1938
it's to Friday
1938 calendar now and 1966 1994 2011 2022 2033 2005 calendar and the same into Obi catch us say President Akufo 8 December 1938 Friday
it's we are there 1996 any a year by calendar na ebe
1996 any this year calendar is the same
it will be catch was 1996 the otia kunwa so party na ebe or twa na so waka na kore 1991 na twa kunwa so
1996 NDC na net
it you say 1996 calendar no wa catch am say any 2024 calendar the same thing na meaning say sa party na ebe true or yes
onim ma menche wa de bi
we are no na kwa chi
it can be possible
according to your washia
yes ma menche wa de bi I Kwame Owusu tie na ya analysis. Hwe Ghana hanum no. Ye started democracy no. Eda wo betena akonwa no so sa da na akwa timi de wo opposition. Enti Saturday na ye beto aba ne de. Obia o se oye spiritually inclined bia kacho say Saturday ni favorable to MPP a wajimi.
That's it.
Because ye
to sabi.
Me to sabi. Me obia ni political party I me belong to.
Oh party be.
Me MPP ni. Okay. Because I believe in the Dankwa-Dombo Buzia you picture.
But I said professor was soft taught man Dr. Bawumia.
Oh yeah, that one is a fact.
It had an own kind of crunch no.
Na me kan okran obeti.
Catch them eh.
Me kan anya bi na me kan wai. O kan on be didi watem.
Mamu ni watem, so dey osumati efo.
Me dem fa me o.
Omuti omanu aye pose, omunti ase ba kan okran ne.
Da obeti na so no. Sa da na ti o dey enhwe 93 7 January. You started 4th Republic na Thursday. NDC na transfer 2000 yakoto aba no on a Thursday no NDC lusui 97 almost second time no Rollins on the second time no, 7 January 97 na Tuesday 2004 election day no Tuesday no NDC lusui now here's MP 2001 President Akufo-Addo first no 7 January na Sunday and no transfer 2008 election day no Sunday no MPP yeden omulusui now yenhwe 2005 President Akufo-Addo on the ticket of MPP 7th January na Friday 2012 election day nikosi Friday no MPP sulu 2016 we numerology na spirituality 2016 NDC the 2009 Professor Mills ebetra so no Wednesday 7th January 2016 election day nikosi Wednesday no NDC sulu now nyentia MPP timi breaki Democrats and Republicans about no break here Democrats winning America MPP winning Ghana and idea back because 7 January 2013 Mahama tena kunya so na Monday until 2020 election day nikosi Monday no MPP also lost NDC also lost sorry until 2024 Osha 2017 omo tena kunya so 7 January na Saturday abato then akosi 7 December 2024 also we so for o shenkoma MPP.
What do you see this year?
Oh
according to anya wo de woni ani but what this hwam
but send ya anya ne de intimacy sign the sa na be dia NDC were upon over MPP in this election.
Bulgaria how old are you? I'm 32
years.
You are 32 years.
Yes. Born in 1992. But me because of me obi ana me radio addict na me tie radio pa na me san pe ade kinkan na me pe questions bisa me ntia de bi ase a me bisa o me pe questions bisa nti
o yare o di fra wom
yeah de wo me
okay
enti me
nko me brush
kwa nice retentive memory me remfi ade se o be class ma kire me na me rebefi
na me ka me teacher wan some cha wo kai
me shia 10 years class ma wo ka kire me for last 10 years enti me wo fa bi last enra na o ka kire me say kwasi o de only dementia de mo ye fa pa o
wow
tune say time MPP for be your primaries no na obvious no be any say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ibewuni ba Musa Dankwa be ka kire say Bawumia onya 50% plus 1 e be run off but 62% sen kai bi Bawumia nya be 52% kra ka I may trust him but say otimi nya 62% no e ma Musa Dankwa research men trusted the credibility of his research Emma men trusted the credibility of his research.
Okay. Now, only news to say, proud to election.
Yeah.
Almost for so CEOs be more than Sasha Boat's position be one declare Mobia, you were fluent here, man, for ya dear. No Mompe, Uncle Phobic Radisica, Alan Camp, Abra, almost out to Alan.
Oh, about what ye say, Obiko polling station no go to Aba a secret. Enti emfa so obi ama obi sika na obi ma obi sika so obi an adwen say ye to aba Ali Baba ene senior man on kasa ye friend yeah Brakwame ene ejina na se mema koma obi sika se on tuntia Brakwame okọ polling station na mini obi ono nko na o obetimi ato ama Ali Baba obra menya we unless say bia obi timi ka che me say ye de sekan gina obi so say still change na Akoto ma Bawumia yeah that one
but we are aware say Ken Ofori na nkrofo bi ehun popa ama ebi koto abakwa de kire say de be ebe vindicate om
so obi koto aba de chair
regional
say discord
organizer kwaye
sad yeah say nti na yi ni de ni film no
na omo aye hu omo so we de ehunu obi ni ehun mene kase
enu nti na electoral commission for no say obi to aba de kire omo anim so omo mra no
electoral commission for nso na MPB ko gina odi sika koma wo mo aye kan wo se no de che wo mo e ba clear nyame na meka odi envelope wo se okoma mo envelope na clear what do you make of it
oh yes say commissioner bi ko gi sika wo bra ense say ogia anase
ocho NMPB ko na no
ye dia share ni nsema enke so reject ba wan reject ya say emrani ni di mekwa em won say by now ye nti say ebia sankofo na emrani ni omodi
won so wo kan okore ba hasi
yes
now ye hwa de say Musa Kedan kwana no nya adwena fix solution for no so omodi fi America ba
yes fix solution for so many omonya adwena
oni omo so ni omonya adwena
yes because omo so omo bezi omo de no Musa Dankwa de no ye no
oh
omo bezi omo de no Musa Dankwa de no what kind of details senior man
Dabi obi me pe wa yi kwa
research no
wo ni we nya adwon sa ni we so nya
yes many omo nya
eti NDC for MPP for nyintum so omo win election
no men ka say Ali Baba men ka say me try na me ka tell say election we MPP will win on we are silver platter. I'm deceiving me, you and myself,
my listeners,
and your listeners. And MPP should stop believing in pastors. As so for now, I'm saying come. MPP ni na.
Me ameka ona makofa atrofo bebre abon ma begu omo ni mas bebre.
Aso for now,
I'm saying me mo chance bi.
MPP ni na.
Troko a mo twatro na omo da so dey omo chi.
Yeah, I don't believe in global info analytic research because uche percentage na omo de ma John Dramani Mahama and on Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia na eno can be and ma me believe in their research, but it is not going to be easy for the MPP. Yes, MPP is losing. If you go to places like Greater Accra, Ashanti region, yeah, even in their where their MPP is very strong, MPP is not doing well. But Obi and Tuntimin can't say Mahama ebe wini ebenya 57%. Now Dr. Bawumia enya ebia 42%, and I believe so because me no Usha 1996 after 1996 Jerry Rawlings at the wide margin ABT Kufuono even where NDC has won the general election no omu BT MPP a marginable udi enhwe 2008 near 2012 elections NDC winning against MPP no nothing differences not saying and as MPP so ABT NDC yenhwe differences e wom
yeah be na okay
MPP 2000, MPP 2004, MPP 2016.
2016 Nanado.
Yes, near Fancope, NDC 208, NDC 2012. Margin, Udia for 2020 crack out, 2016, 2020. Near Fancope 208, 2012. NDC BT MPP. MPP a party, in any day, they are stronger than NPP. Because this is a party.
Come again.
MPP is a party, on any day, they are stronger than NDC. I can tell you for a fact. Because
hold on.
Yeah.
NDC is stronger than NPP.
MPP is stronger than NDC.
NPP is stronger than NDC.
Yes, in any
election ya kunyina na 2 be a meeting yonko.
Yes.
Afi na okrofo bi so make 8. Eti he na oye stronger than no.
Nyentia oye stronger than say. Usha tembi NDC 40 make catch MPP for say you need 8 regions. You will need say regions. But this is a party ultimately we need 2 regions per and NDC 4 crats almost say 1.5. But 1.5 will say 2 now be winning. Otiminya 49%.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. 8
as I
time.
Vote out the beating and imagine
Bulgaria. Whether you not swallow bones or bones swallowed you now, there was a swallow.
No, there was a swallow, but the swallows are different.
Well, how's that was
yes, there was a swallow, but the swallows are different.
Then MP NDC 4 year, Emma Omuya Dian Crawford County or Monyabi. Share none of Mukosrimi. You say Haruna Idrisu, when he John Dramani Mahama and you're fine. And so Omufa Kwan be aso Haruna Idrisu mo introduce John Dramani Mahama.
Yeah.
And no be MP before ye ma Kennedy Agyapong mom and so a full platform where
MP before and it is not even helping Kennedy Agyapong and it is not helping them. It is not helping them because we reckon Agyapong in some of our Bawumia platform now. It is rather indicting the party than helping the party. Me senka me
you can't be indicted be anything.
Me 2 MPP for no
Bulgaria you can't be indicted be anything.
Na Ali ye ko to aba
na borofo na se indictment
no menim say na menim say na meka no twi
kwame boa no
kwame bia obetima boa ya indicted party need than helping the party me kasa na MPP for betie me a
good
and me MPP for mom kasa bia say ni say because they know me kasa no mu betie me a they should stop Kennedy Agyapong from speaking on any Bawumia platform.
Okay.
Because Papa no kwa no okaza na mu say na mu nkopo bi chaw na mu the man is as if he's using the 2024 campaign for his own selfish agenda 2028.
Bulgaria.
It's a fact. Asema me kan nokure but nokure unim o kan nokure chire obi a on din pass nipa ne be dia tum nipa na nim say ade o kan nokure pa o but din pass go and listen to what he said when they were launching Napo at Kumasi Jubilee Park and go and listen to him last Sunday on Ablekuma South was Ablekuma North kotien sem o kan na se sansem no se boa MPP for na no mo se boa ma esomoa
Eti ma Musa Kedan kwa woni nya because Crawford mo yo mufi
Musa Kedan kwa de nti amene ne nya adwen ni figures or the ba any nsem bi a waka in the past me ma example say o ka say Bawumia ne Kennedy Agyapong be ko run off anko run off main run off nti na amene ne nya adwen but it doesn't mean say MPP cannot lose the 2024 elections.
Ghana any America ya battle ewo twaka ma say matese maame no wakoyi be ma bi a woye astute politician pa wa carry ne huye pa experienced politician pa nyakopon ya adom a America fo aba o mbeto November no ebesi benada benada ne maame ne krada
Tuesday
Ghana fo nso se o mbeto aba December 7 ebesi John Dramani Mahama krada memenada de na ewum link ma me ha de
America for de bi o moto o aba Tuesday and
esi maame ne krada maame Wednesday born
and from apart from if he said George Bush esi so no president aba America in Friday bones Barack Obama Donald Awonfe Trump Joe Biden omu ina Friday bones opa obetma check omu date of birth na Barack Obama 4th August 1961 which is Friday Donald Awonfe Trump 14th June 1946 which is Friday Joe Biden 20th November 1942 which is Friday inti ni American nyese bia ma betra na mabo mitrim cancel bia
na kwa kamenchu makra
inti wo hwe America Diana Ali until 2020 no tem bia ye start here fourth republic Democrats ebe win election bia na NDC omo win elections or Ghana. 92 Democrats winning, NDC winning. 96 Democrats winning, NDC winning. And I tell me Republicans no. And I Republicans no ra. Omo ni MPP. Omo ina omo chance di epe. Omo ina elephant. I hope so when him say no. 2000 Republicans ni winning and MPP enso winning. 2004 Republicans ni winning and MPP enso winning. 2020 pe and Democrats ni winning ya MPP. And society be more Ghana and the MPP winning. Now,
record be breaking no.
Yeah, record be breaking.
They are meant to be broken.
Yes, records are meant to be broken. Yes. Make us ask them no in 2020. NDC for crab between Madapa. Osha 2024 America Omakoi Democrats Omu say Joe Biden kwa Obelusu. In fact, before Joe Biden ever resigned, not Donald Trump was on top. But if he said Kamala Harris ever seen him now, or decline it, I be too close to call and I say, oh, decline it. But Yanka who said Donald Trump first election a winning and Obama defeating, which was Hillary Clinton. No, the former former President Bill Clinton, and defeating. So I think say
it will about one was Obama defeating Bill. Or not so or you about your Obama be natural.
So Obama in the show and young
but me pacho a president or Mukoyi or Tosso saying. Say, oh, I remember Bawumia.
Yeah.
How many times what Tosso saying? How many
I think say
60th right.
This will be the
I think 6-0.
Yeah.
But I'm saying Jama on Aka.
No,
I'm said what Tosso Adrian.
Yeah, something like that.
And the woman is almost 60 years. So I'm also 60 years.
Yeah.
And Uncle Fork Kaboma said almost 60th president or Mukoyino. My men is 60.
Yeah.
And she has figures B. Yeah, part of the world we know the Bibia
Bibia.
Now, you have my men who are Donald Trump and what, near Famra Ghana, Meshim Hadi.
Osha Obana Hodia, Obano, no a vice president, and Obama, Obano, Siciano, Democrats, no cry, they were not that united before the Obama, but Obana, or appreciate it. But let's not also forget, say, Osha Kamala Harris, Democrats now, Nipa to Abamomu, Nipa, Omoye, a 2 quarter for blacks, Spanish, no, and a Nipa, Nipa, believe in minority right to say, give warning, Sanko for the 2 Obama Democrats, no pa. And our Republicans now, Omunya vote Dudwana from indigenous America for and a Nipa, Omoye Christians. True Christians and to Obama Republicans. But we Democrats now. Adia bo omo ne say omo policies omo de ban e boa nipa omo mfi America or na nipa omo pese omo betina America or omo ye America for. Enti ema Democrats no tembia no omo nya upper and out Donald Trump say and the campaign no first no nanka akoye or cassetia black for cassetia say but see our limited send you see canning sem no and I say the campaign now he's just basing on corruption and near maybe a cost or no full say I'm America and he's also using the Russia-Ukraine war no, against the Democrat. I think say interesting but say CIA Obama be mudie ama Donald Trump depreciate and no appreciate.
Yo, with you for winning and someone abetoye so. But I was a DC so and our hero. So we are subscribing or more than say we subscribe to their channel. Nothing so what like video no crack share my of now when you be here now and some also it's a handy latest and hot news in point and I'm the bremo. Also waiting actually one for here and some way now I will comment boxing. But in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.